Alright, so we have a little bit of a recording here. This one is going to be an unboxing and a review of a mat, and I will put the name of the mat and a link to it where you can buy it. It's a desk mat, which allows you to set a computer, a keyboard, anything on top of it to where it won't slide. And the reason why I got this is because my particular desk, which I love, does not like this keyboard very well. The keyboard that I love is the MX Brown. I switched to one that I have, and unfortunately, it just doesn't like it. So I ordered this, and it was fairly cheap. It's a leather one, and I think it should be very nice. So we're going to go ahead and open this. Have to tear into this puppy just because of the way I see the mat in here, but I also see this. Ooh, yeah. Haha. Very fun, very childish. So let's get this mat here. Oops, I turned off transparent hearing. Crap, hang on. Hit the button again. There we go. Let's get this mat here. It looks like it comes in a little box, which we'll go ahead and grab. And here it is. And it comes in a little package. Very nice. And it looks like we got the desk mat itself and possibly some instructions, but it looks like just the desk mat. There we go. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is nice leather too. Alright. So let's look at this thing. Very nice. I think the desk will like this. And what's cool is that there's little leather straps, which I'll have to keep somewhere. Maybe. But I really don't need the straps very much. All the straps do. Yeah, you know what, let's throw these straps away, because these straps are pretty useless. Oh yeah. Okay. So it looks like we had two of those. Now we need to work on taking the keyboard off so we can fit this mat properly. So we'll go ahead and unplug it. Okay. We'll reach over here and unhook the Yeti and put this keyboard back here for now. Now we're going to grab this mat, and it has a logo on it. That's pretty cool. So let's see, how do we want to set this? Very, very nice. Very, very nice fit. In fact, it might be able to set several things, as a matter of fact. Yeah, I think it might be able to set several things. I think it might be able to set the Blue Yeti, or not the Yeti, but the desktop computer that'll go behind here. also use this as a, well, I wouldn't use it as a chair mat. This is mainly a desk mat. Okay. This a little bit sticks out, but this is a long desk mat, so I'll just put part of that right there. Move this headphone cord. I'll have it cover this piece, that's fine. So, let's see what I got, if it works. I think it does, personally. Okay, here it is. So, let's try it here. Very nice. I knew this would fix the issue that I'm having. Very good. So that is indeed, or was the issue, was the desktop. I figured as much, and that's okay. And I'm definitely going to keep this one, it looks like. Just a little bit is sticking off, but not enough to really complain. Okay, so we got this one hooked in. And we'll grab the Blue Yeti's cord. Heck, I've got enough room for several things on here. This is a nice desk mat. But it's perfect size. It's right where I want it. It does cover up another cord piece, which is fine. I don't care. So what we'll do is we'll take this keyboard and plug everything right where it needs to go. Yeah. See, it don't move like it did. It's a lot more stable. Yay! Okay, so that is done. So that is this video. And I'll go ahead and stop it. And that'll be it.